So meme coins are everywhere. There's new meme coins exploding every single day. So it is very hard to keep track of every single one. But on this channel, we keep you updated about every single meme coin. And we just have another hidden gem that we are very early on, very low market cap coin that has huge potential and is about to go crazy in the upcoming days. So we're going to be talking about this coin, talking about a little about the tokenomics, and just going over why it has such huge potential. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into the video. And before we do start, do make sure to hit the thumbs up button, drop your comment down below on your opinion on these coins, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get right into the video and head over to our screen. So we are over at our screen and we are looking at another meme coin on the Solana chain. It is called KittenWifHat. So almost the same as most meme coins trending. We have DOGWIFHAT and a lot of these animal based coins that have been trending recently, and this is just another one of those coins. We can see currently priced at 205568, up around almost 14, a good 13.29% in the past 24 hours. Still looking fairly good. Market cap, it is not verified, though it is around $5.6 million. So compared to other meme coins, we can see it is very low right now. Let's just take a look at the meme coins that we do see. We can see DOGWIFHAT. We have a market cap of $2.7 billion. So another zero to add here. So absolutely crazy. From million to billion is a huge weight, and we can see that these coins are getting very big on these market cap numbers. So this coin is very early, only a $5 million market cap right now, around $3.9 million of volume, also up around 1.69% from the past 24 hours. Also, this is a very new coin, just under 2 days. As you can see, if we head to the 7-day, we don't obviously see a 7-day chart because it hasn't even been 7 days since its coin launched. Our all-time high was around 0.6482, which was, I believe, around here. So just 15 hours ago we hit the all-time high. It is very early in the release. It is available on Radium for the most part, and also on Jupiter. So this is where we see most of the volume coming from. Right here we can see, we could track the volume, and it is another Solana coin. So as we all know, Solana has a reputation of new trending meme coin. So this is another also green sign that this is a Solana coin, that this is about to go huge. We are very early, and we have seen such meme coins go 100 to 1,000x very quickly. So it is just 2 days. It has barely seen a 50% surge in just the 2 days. So um a lot more coming. This could be the next 100x. If we look at our daily chart, we can see started off the day at around 0.005 and headed all the way up to 0.0064. So we had a huge spike here, almost, I would say, around 30%. I would say, I'm just estimating, but the actual numbers are different. And we had more of a surge right here. We have come back down from that high number, but we are slowly heading back upwards and in the positive direction, hopefully making new gains once again. If we head to the 7-day chart, and this shows us the 2-day chart, actually this coin was listed very early, around 12:30 a.m. on the 15th. So just almost a day and almost 2 days that this coin has been listed, and it is already seeing decent hype on its chain right now. So we can see our lowest was around 0.0042 and going all the way up to 0.0064. So around a 50% surge that we can see here in just a matter of just under a day. So if we take a look at KittenWifHat's website, this is what the website looks like. We can see a Solana coin. We can look at the charts and tokenomics, the KittenWif. supply 1 billion liquidity. You could read all of this. If you want to go check it out, you could go to the website KittenWifHat.xyz and check it out. And also that this has 5 badges: doc, safu, audit, KYC, AMA. If you don't know what these mean, you could go on this website and you could read this through and see what each term means and why it has 5 badges. Most of its tokenomics are from pre-sale, and it has around 30% of liquidity. So these are more technical terms. If you do want to go check it out, you could head over to pinksale.finance, or just go directly from the website to this website and check out more of the tokenomics. So that we won't be going over that in the video. We just wanted to discuss the huge potential, because we are very, very early in this coin, and it is a Solana coin, and it meets all the criteria that recent meme coins have met that have exploded in the past. So that was about it for this video, guys. In this video we did talk about KittenWifHat and having huge potential very, very early. Less than 2 days that this coin has been launched, just hasn't seen the attention yet. After this sees the attention that the market needs, this will be the next trending coin. This could be the next DOGWIFHAT. So DOGWIFHAT currently at a more than $2 billion market cap, whereas this is only around 5 million. So a huge way for this coin to go. This could be the next 100x coin. So that was about it for this video, guys. If you are new to this channel, do make sure to check out my other videos on this channel talking about coins like this that have huge potential and have been pumping in the past. So do make sure to check out those videos so you could grab your next opportunity. If you do enjoy these videos, click the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below on your opinion on these coins, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next one.